Comfrey, which I highly recommend planting in your garden, it's an awesome plant, is a compost accelerator. So I have some dried comfrey left over from a couple of years ago, and one of the things I like to do is go through your pantry where all your medicinal herbs are and make sure you clean it out and refresh it with fresh herbs, because you don't want to end up with 5-year-old herbs that don't have the medicinal qualities as fresh herbs. So comfrey, I grow it in my garden. It is so easy to grow. It grows like a weed, and it is the most beautiful plant. It is so good for skin issues, medicinal, skin care, all kinds of things. So I highly recommend planting comfrey. But today I want to talk about how it is a compost accelerator. So this I'm using dry because, like I said, it's 2 years old and I dried some comfrey 2 years ago. So I'm using it to put into my compost in the kitchen. So every time I take that compost out to the big compost in the yard, I put a handful of comfrey leaf in it, and that speeds up the process. So why does it speed up the process? Well, remember when I said the half and half rule, you want to have half nitrogen, half carbon in your composter? Well, comfrey is loaded with nitrogen. So anytime you have something like the browns, which are brown leaves, cardboard, toilet paper rolls, paper towel rolls, anything like that, you want to add some nitrogen to it. So you have half nitrogen and half carbon. So to make it simple, every time you put your composter out, just put a handful of comfrey in there to accelerate the compost. Now it also, comfrey is also great for it. It gets the enzymes going in the composter, and it creates a nice, encourages a healthy bacteria. So that helps in encouraging your compost to go faster as well. So comfrey, I'm using dried comfrey. Put a handful in your composter, and it's a great compost accelerator. And you have a great day.